Alright, we're here at the property for Mr. Raymond, filming a repair attempt. So here we have some of the damage here on the back. As you can see, this is a hip roof on all slopes with woven valleys. See how the valleys are woven there? So if we're to repair any of the damage, this damage here, the damage down here where my coworker and I are waiting to repair those missing shingles or to do a repair attempt for you guys on film. So as you can see, ridge, overlapping underlayment. If it's non-repairable, we won't be able to perform a repair on this slope without touching this slope where my foot is here. So as you can see, we've got wind there, wind on the back, a missing tab here that's in the gutter. And this is a closer look at what these old shingles look like in the valley. Also, is a 5.5 inch exposure shingle. I'll send in some photos when we get back to the truck and put a tape measure on the shingle we're taking out. We are installing a current GAF HDZ. So woven valleys everywhere, current condition of the roof, old, deteriorated. So we'll see what it looks like when we do a repair attempt. Yeah, you can film from there. I don't think you can. The whole goal when you're filming, Drew, is to just film the overall area, what it looks like, and what happens whenever you work on it. So let me take the camera again real quick. So we're going to be taking out this shingle here. As you can see, it's still currently sealed on the roof. This is what the shingles above it look like and around it before we work on the roof. All right, here we go. So we're going to start by releasing the seal on the shingle. Alright, we're in some trouble right away. There we go. So the shingle's breaking apart and delaminating it when I'm trying to get it loose right here. So you see how the shingle's breaking. This one I'm beginning, but I'm gonna continue to get it and be ginger with it, or try to. Alright, so we've broken the seal on that tab. We're gonna have to remove this shingle and the shingles above to attempt to get to this shingle that we are currently removing. So I'll go ahead and release the seal on that one. Being as careful as I can not to bend the shingle past 45 degrees. Just trying to, alright. So do you see on here where the snake tool is? Then let me take the camera real quick. Here on this side, it's delaminating or breaking right here where I'm just trying to get the snake tool under it to release the seal. So hey, you might want to protect this with the sun or it's gonna overheat, but we'll continue with the video. I'll try and speed up. But sometimes our phones have been overheating out here. Excuse me. Taking out the nail here. The nail here. Okay. right there. All right. All right. So some things I want to point out while we're doing this repair real quick on film is the mat transfer that's occurring whenever we're doing this route and this repair. So when I'm pulling this shingle up here, you see these chunks that are left behind and these chunks that are taken out of the matting. And of course, we will take pictures once the actual shingle is out. But do you see why these chunks are taken out of the shingle? We'll continue with the repair, but here, hold on, let me get these out. This one.
But it's not focusing.
It's probably hot.
Oh, shit.
We'll take pictures of it too. So, real quick, right here, the shingle is delaminated completely from where it's supposed to be on this shingle seal here. So you see what the tool is? Here, I'll continue.
Good?
Mm-hmm. Luckily we have this this little rake here that we can post up against, pull these out on the far side. See where the shingle is torn. Let me see this real quick. So when we're attempting to repair the shingle, it is torn completely here on this section, here underneath, all the way down, and there's massive chunks of mat transfer here on the shingle. So if you can see that in focus, we'll pull it up in a second. Here. All right, so we've got the old shingle out, and this is what we're talking about when we're saying mat transfer. So do you see these massive chunks of the shingle that are completely missing? Here, 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 here. It's gonna be the same on the bottom of this. You see these massive chunks that are ripped out of the shingle from the tar line? Here, here, here. That's gonna leave any repair on this roof non-repairable, just that fact alone. But hang on and we'll see how the shingle reacts to the hammer. You wanna give me the new one real quick? And then try and shade this phone. Here, yeah, the shingles are hot, brother. Here, hold this thing. And then try and shield the phone so it doesn't overheat. I got you. Let's do this. Good? Yeah. I got it. All Alright, so I'm gonna slide the new shingle in. Oh, we've got a good fitment in. That is the closest gray color match we could find. That is the lightest color available. This was once a charcoal back in the day, but this is the closest color match we can find. We went as light as we could. That's an oyster gray HDZ. So we're going to reapply the nails now. Wait a moment. The furthest one away as well, so that way I'm able to go ahead and secure the shingle in so it doesn't slide. So do you see right here where the shingle is delaminating and flapping up? It's no good. We got some hornets flying around us. Hopefully I don't see a video of me getting stung on a roof. Apologies, I'll have to get that one at the end. Above it. And that's the torn shingle. If you guys can see right there, that's the torn shingle that we're having to go over. real quick, let me get the camera so I can point everything out. As you can see, clear creasing, damage from the snake tool. Here, here, the shingle is actually torn and broken here. If you want to examine, the mat transfer was horrendous. Damage from the snake tool here, here, here. It is delaminated and broken here. So this is now susceptible to wind damage further. Also here it is as well. So watch out real quick, let me take a spot. If you look at this shingle, there's mat transfer. This is the one that was removed. There's mat transfer here, 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 with fiberglass from the shingle, here, here, all the way above. We flip it over, massive chunks here, 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 all the way down here. This old architectural shingle is non-repairable.